the 11th of June, 2022, Daytona Beach, Florida. During the annual truck meet, a vehicle carrying multiple occupants is stopped in a governor-declared special event zone. Within 90 seconds, one passenger is under arrest.
All right, guys, I'm going to have all you guys hop out and just stand at the front of this officer's car, please. All right, guys, come on, hop out and stand at the front of the officer's car, please. Alright guys, so what's happening today? You guys are all aware of the truck event that's going on and how the governor declared a special event zone. I'm sure you guys have heard about it, saw it on the news. As a result, you guys are receiving several citations today, and the truck is being towed. It's going to be impounded by Friars Towing. Just hang tight with this officer, she'll give you your citations and we'll get you out of here. I'm going to grab some gloves and inventory. How old is the front seat passenger? How old are you?
Me?
Yeah. Come on over here.
Turner, you are getting one citation.
Come on over here.
Exterior vehicle. This is your
Your
copy.
on your back.
D30 sticker, all on the back, two people copies. Okay?
No, let's walk back to my car.
Here's what I want you to do.
We're
okay?
off 10 cents. Adult female 1015. You are being placed under arrest for underage possession of alcohol. Spread your feet nice and wide. This officer's going to search you, okay? Officer Diedish, actually based off of this new information, everyone's going to hang tight for a second. Can you search her?
Yeah.
Before they're free to go. Everyone have a seat on the ground, please.
Anything on you that I need to know about?
My phone, my wallet, and my vape, and my key.
Alright, so here's what I want you to do. Go ahead and spread your feet. I know the vehicle's hot, so I'm not going to make you lean on it. Take one big step back, and then lean forward at your waist. Does that belong to like your hotel room?
Yeah.
Do you want your friends to have it so that they can get back in?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Which hotel are you guys staying at?
I can't remember what it's called. It's an Airbnb right down that way, like 5 minutes.
Is it the Hawaiian Inn?
Honestly, I really can't remember what it's called.
Do they have like a big Aku Tiki guy in front?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Hey, what's the hotel called? Oh, Daytona, I guess?
Is anyone in the vehicle 21?
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to toss your vape out just so you're aware, okay? Because the jail's not gonna have it, and additionally you're not supposed to have it. If someone was 21, I would give it to the person that is 21, but there isn't, okay? We're gonna have a seat in my car, just so I know it's unlocked. And I'll tell your friends where you're going and everything, okay? You are gonna have a bond. You're just gonna have a seat with me. Or alcohol. It's okay, I still want to stress me yesterday.
Alright, young lady, let me get some information from you.
Alright, I'm right open here.
My ID's in there too, if that makes it easier for her. I think she has it.
Yeah, we'll grab that here in a second. Thank you. Do you have her ID?
I do.
Can you grab that for me, please?
And you said I can get his number before I.
Yeah, so
Oh,
I have
shit,
your phone,
whatever.
that's the only thing that's going out with you.
Yeah.
You have a lot of battery, so I'm not going to turn it off,
Yeah,
but
it's
you'll be able
fine.
to get phone numbers out of your phone at the jail.
Alright.
Okay?
And you said you told him it was like what, like hour and a
What's
half?
your social
Probably
skyline?
like an hour, yeah.
You have any tattoos?
No.
You have any scars or marks from any surgeries?
No.
Do you wear glasses or contacts?
Nope.
set for a second.
Under Florida Statute Section 252.36 and Executive Order Authority, the governor may declare a special event zone, granting law enforcement enhanced citation power, vehicle impoundment authority, and expanded enforcement capabilities. A special event zone declaration does not create new criminal offenses. It modifies the enforcement landscape surrounding existing violations. Officers operating within a declared zone may impound vehicles and issue citations for conduct that would otherwise produce a warning. Under Maryland v. Wilson, 519 U.S. 4081997, officers may order all vehicle passengers to exit. During a lawful traffic stop, no additional justification required. The group exit order was constitutionally authorized from the first command. Pennsylvania v. Mims, 434 U.S. 1061977, established the same authority for drivers. Together, Mims and Wilson mean that every occupant of a stopped vehicle can be lawfully ordered out, separated, and controlled at the officer's discretion. The officer announced an inventory of the impounded truck. Under South Dakota v. Opperman, 428 U.S. 3641976, an inventory search of a lawfully impounded vehicle is constitutionally permissible without a warrant. The Opperman inventory search exception rests on three governmental interests: protecting the owner's property while in police custody, protecting police from false claims of theft, and safeguarding officers from dangerous items inside the vehicle. Under Florida Statute Section 562.111, possession of an alcoholic beverage in a public place by any person under 21 is a second-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 60 days in county jail and a $500 fine. The statute is possession-based, not consumption-based. Actual drinking is not required for the offense. The presence of alcohol within reach of an underage person in a public access location satisfies the statutory elements. The pat-down search following the arrest was lawful. Under Chimel v. California, 395 U.S. 7521969. A search incident to a lawful arrest requires no separate warrant. The gender-delegated search to Officer Diddish reflects correct agency protocol. No Miranda warning appears in the 4 minutes and 52 seconds of recorded footage following the arrest declaration. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1966. Custodial interrogation requires prior rights advisement. Miranda attached at the moment of arrest. However, the biographical questions captured on camera, social security number, tattoos, scars, fall under the booking questions exception established in Pennsylvania v. Muniz. Pennsylvania v. Muniz, 496 U.S. 5821990, held that routine booking questions, collecting biographical data, do not constitute interrogation for Miranda purposes, and are therefore admissible regardless of Miranda timing. The Miranda gap matters only if substantive questions about the alcohol, where it came from, whether the subject drank, were asked before advisement off camera. Those statements, if any, would face suppression. The primary officer receives a B+. Clear and accurate explanation of the Special Event Zone Authority. Correct gender-delegated search. Practical and professional tone throughout. Deduction: no Miranda delivery visible in the recorded footage. Officer Diddish receives an A-. The pat-down was correctly conducted under the search incident doctrine. Gender matching protocol was properly followed. No procedural errors are apparent from the available footage. The subject receives a B. Immediate and complete physical compliance at every stage. Calm, cooperative, and non-confrontational throughout. Deduction: the underlying conduct underage alcohol in a declared enforcement zone. Lesson 1 for the public. A governor's special event zone declaration changes enforcement authority. Before you arrive, not after you are stopped. The enhanced consequences apply from the moment the zone is active. Lesson 2. For anyone under 21. Florida Section 562.111 requires only possession, not consumption. The presence of alcohol within your reach in a public space is the offense. Whether you drank it is a separate question entirely. Lesson 3. For anyone arrested. Biographical booking questions: name, SSN, tattoos, are accepted from Miranda under Pennsylvania v. Muniz. But questions about the actual offense are not. That distinction matters. Lesson 4. For officers. Miranda delivery should be visible and documented on Bodycam immediately after the arrest declaration. A 4-minute gap between arrest and any visible Miranda delivery creates a suppression question that documentation would eliminate. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more content.